this top because I am definitely tired of showing it to you guys. I am pre-recording a few videos and I know I can easily just take this top off, but I am going to take it off in just a second and you guys are going to see why. Not because I'm gonna flash you, okay? We're not there yet. So basically, at this point in my life, I want to say I might be going through like my midlife crisis. I don't know. I really don't know what's going on with me, but I definitely have been wanting to do like bold things. So I kind of want to get a tattoo. I want to dye my hair. I want to cut my hair. Like I want to do all of these things. But I don't just want to dye my hair, okay? I want to go bold. So I want to go either blue or pink, and that's kind of completely out of my comfort zone. Anyways, I have an upcoming appointment in 2 weeks, right? Oh, by the way, I am Carla. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. So in 2 weeks, I have a hair appointment, and I basically told the hairstylist that I'm either going to go blue or pink, but I can't really seem to make up my mind. So when I went to my local grocery store, I saw that L'Oreal actually has one-day color sprays. What do you know? They had a blue one and they had a pink one. And I was just so intrigued because I'm definitely going to commit to one or the other. But I thought, what better way than for me to actually be able to see how it's going to look, or kind of how it's going to look before I actually commit. So these babies right here are not new by any means. They're just new to me. This right here is the L'Oreal Colorista spray. So basically what you do is you spray it into your hair and it only lasts 1 day. So when you go and you take a shower and you wash your hair, the color completely washes off. Is it the most ideal thing if you want your hair to be colored for multiple days? Absolutely not. It's just so fun because you can literally change your hair colors every single day, or if you are like me, indecisive AF, then you can see which color looks best on you. Now these babies right here retail for less than $10. I believe I paid like $8.95 or very close to it. I have the color blue and I have the color rose gold. Right now we are going to try the color blue. My friend who has way lighter hair than I do actually tried this baby right here. That baby right there, and it barely showed on her. So I decided to try the blue one on camera just because my hair is very dark. My hair isn't necessarily black, but it's very close to it. So if this works on dark hair, I'm going to be even more impressed. So I'm gonna take my top off. I'm gonna put like a whatever top. I'm gonna wrap a towel around me and we're going to start spraying. And very quickly, I just want to mention to you guys, in case you do like how my hair looks curled this way, I did use the Duval curling wand. This is the 32M, and today was the first time ever that I tried this baby, and let me tell you, I think it took me less than 10 minutes to curl my hair. And I am so freaking impressed because it usually takes me about 45 minutes and the curls are definitely holding. And I gotta be honest with you guys, as I plugged it in, I saw that it does not have multiple setting options, so you can't really control the temperature, and I was like, hold that thought, like, what? That's probably not even gonna do anything to my hair. Like, all there is an on and an off button, but let me tell you, it still did its job. I have worked with Duval before. I actually showed you guys a face spin brush system that I absolutely love. So I do still have a coupon code with them in case you are interested in this bad boy. I will put the information on the screen, also in the description down below. And once I actually commit and fully dye my hair, so in like 2 weeks, I will talk to you guys about this baby a little bit more into details because I am just so impressed. So I have never looked better, okay? I actually put a very old top, and I'm also going to wrap myself with a towel. This is also a very much dirty towel. But one thing I do know is that this can be really messy, so I am going to try my best to do as close as a good job as I can because I do not want to get this everywhere. Okay, correction. Now I never look better. And like I said, this is the towel that I use when I dye my hair and things like that. So it's definitely all kinds of stains and yucky, but I do not want to ruin a really good towel right now. So this is what we're going to use. As you guys can see, I have a lot of hair and very dark hair. So let's jump to it and see if it works. So I'm gonna shake it. I don't even have a mirror, so I don't know how this is gonna... Maybe I'm gonna like... I don't know if it's doing anything. I'm gonna look at the viewfinder just because I'm trying to at the very least get a little bit of my hair. So I saw some videos and they made it seem so easy, and why am I always struggling? Okay, but she said, what is blending? What the fuck? This looks, I don't know if it's a vibe or not. I don't even know. I don't even know if it's like a vibe or not at this very moment. So you guys know I'm not really that kind of person that comes on camera and it's like, I freaking hate it. But I don't think I like this at all. I think the color, it's a vibe. I don't know how much of it is picking up on camera, but I actually like it and I think I might just do it like the real deal. What is not a vibe is this freaking spray. First of all, gone, okay? Like all of it, all that little tiny thing, it didn't even fully do my complete hair. Number two, the nozzle spray, it's not like an actual spray. It's like a very much targeted spray, so it only does a few sections at a time. So the blending looks horrendous. Then again, that can also be me because my blending isn't necessarily like the best thing. All of that we can put aside. What I cannot put aside is how nasty my hair feels, and that's what gets me pissed off because I washed my hair last night. Like I literally went ahead and I washed my hair last night because I thought, oh my god, like if I like how this looks, I want to definitely wear it, you know, for multiple days because I don't be washing my hair every day. But guess what? I mean, I like how it looks, but it feels so bad. I can't even touch my hair because it just feels tieso, like it just feels hard and it doesn't move. Think about it as I just put an entire bottle of dry shampoo and I can just genuinely feel the product laying onto my hair. And it sucks because I had such high hopes for it. I'm trying to get a thumbnail and I don't want to shower. Like I don't want to wash my hair again. I just washed it. And look, I can't even style it. I'm just trying to get a thumbnail at this point, okay? And I can't even do it. So I put another top on just to see if it looks any better. I actually really did like how it looked with the navy dark blue top. Let me tell you, it's been like 20 minutes and this thing right here is not drying at all. Like I so much as to touch it and my hands are blue. I think you're supposed to put hairspray. Like I think the hairspray will set it into place. But my hair is already hard as, like it's just so freaking stiff that if I put hairspray, I'm gonna jump right into the shower because I cannot stand this feeling. But what do you think, guys? Because like I said, I think it's a look and I think I might actually go ahead and do it. But if this looks horrendous of me, please be that friend to tell me, hey girl, that looks horrendous on you. Please do not dye it because I think I might dye it. This rose gold baby is not even gonna get tried because if it's going to do me as dirty as this blue one did, I mean, why would I even give it a time of the day, right? So in conclusion, we don't like this. I definitely don't like this. I definitely don't recommend it, and I hate being negative. You guys know that. Like I'm very forward and I'm very genuine with everything that I put on camera, but I really just feel a certain kind of way when I sit down and I'm like, ew, I hate this or blah blah blah. But I don't know. I really don't know. And more so because I'm that kind of person that's always constantly touching their hair. If you don't have that problem, like if you can do your hair, spray it, and then that's it, like leave it alone, then this will work wonders. But if you're that kind of person that's always like running through their hair and touching it, this is going to feel so bad. The color just showed up very well, so I definitely give it a 10 out of 10 because you can see the blue so good. I just think for my hair it would have taken maybe like 2 cans or even 3. Also, the nozzle spray was a better spray than definitely a 10 out of 10, but I cannot with this targeted spray. So I guess if you guys are like me trying to dye your hair but you don't know what color you should do, then definitely I recommend something like this because, you know, you're gonna jump in the shower and it's going to completely wash off, so at least you get an idea. But if you actually want to go about your day and stuff, then I definitely don't recommend it. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notified every single time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.